All right, so welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up network backups for your Home Assist server. And to do so, there's only two requirements. Requirement number one, you have to be running the operating system version of it on some sort of hardware or a VM appliance. You can't do this through the container that runs on like Unraid, because you're not going to see this section here that says storage. You won't see that option there. But you're going to click network storage, and then you're going to give it a name. So for me, I'm going to call mine LOD. You get to set up, since this is setting up your network storage, you can do some options. There's backup, there's media, and there's share media. That'll bring in like your media content, give you those kind of things. But this one specifically focused on backups. You're going to identify your server, and I use an IP address for mine. And my protocol that my server connects over is Simba. And then I'm going to put in the remote path. I don't remember it, but I did copy and paste it. So there we go. This is an open share on my network for shipping my backups to. So I don't need to put in a password or anything like that. And I did an error on it. There we go. All right, so now that you've set in the storage location, you're going to go to your backups, and you will be able to change the default to your new backup location, which will be your network share. And then that's it. I did run through and run a backup in the meanwhile. My backups are full backups, which is about a gig and a quarter. So it takes a little time to run, but there is a full backup that I just ran from today. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video helps you out. And going forth, all my backups will continue to do the backups. As for the ones that have been backing up locally, I can migrate them over the old-fashioned way. I can download them. Whoops. Get a click on it. Click the two dots, download it, and move it over manually if I wanted to. But that is your option. You can download it, copy it over, and they will then be managed by the share.